Rico, unang tanong. Mahal mo ba ang showbiz?
Love, yes, of course, of course. It's for me, it's a profession. Kailangan bigay yung 100% ko dito sa show business dahil itong trabaho ko. I've been here for 4 years and I plan to stay for as long as it takes.
What have you become because of showbiz? Naging ano ka dahil sa showbiz?
Very ironic. In a fantasy world, I became more of a realist.
Talaga? Dahil nung nasa real world ka, parang hindi ka...
Sa real,
what do you mean? Anong ibig
Kasi sa
sabihin?
real world, you don't get to see the simplicities of life. It's only in a fantasy world wherein the way of living is so extreme, everything is so extreme that you get to appreciate the simplicities of life.
Katulad ng, ano yung nakikita mo?
Privacy?
But you lost it.
Yes.
Nawala yun nung naging
Yes.
celebrity ka.
Yes, that's why I became more of a realist because then I appreciated that.
Every time na meron kang private moment,
So you spend it.
ninanamnam mo yun.
Oo, and you spend it with the people who mean a lot to you.
Whoever you are today, Rico, naapektuhan ka ba dahil sa paghihiwalay ng mga magulang mo? Alam ko nagkabalikan na sila, which was very good. But nakaapekto ba sa iyo yung separation na at a certain point? I know wala na tayong oras.
Siyempre.
What did you become because of the separation?
I became a more mature person.
Sumadsad ka at one point, walang pera, walang pang gas, walang, you know that, remember that point in your life? When you look back, what do you think?
I think that God had a purpose for it. May dahilan ng Diyos kung bakit ba't ako duman sa ganun.
Okay. Sino ka, Rico? Who are you when no one is watching?
Who am I?
Yes. Who are you? Are you still the small boy that Dennis the menace, just like when you were young?
As Rico, when no one is watching, I am, siguro, my mom would describe me as enigmatic. Kumbaga, no one can size me up. Walang may alam kung sino talaga ako.
Maski ikaw? In
Ako-
one word, sino ka?
I'm mysterious.
Complex. Mysterious.
Complex.